A very good morning to all. I'm Balaji from SRMIST. I'm here to give you a presentation in the title Multi-Regressions Based Tradition Machine Learning Approach for Energy Forecasting System. This is the outline of my presentation. Introduction. Currently, energy utilization issues are important in the world. In developing countries, the rapid rise in energy consumption is observed. Energy consumption by the machineries in an industry plays a vital role in setting up an industry. When energy consumption is not considered as a key factor, it may even lead to a great loss for the industry. In this research work, a proposal is made to predict energy requirements of an industry using prefetched data from sensors collected collected to the connected to the various machineries and implementing an algorithm through machine learning techniques. This proposal also provides a method for effective management of energy requirements at the time of demand in energy consumption using various IoT modules. Monitoring research work in this research work, a proposal is made for monitoring energy consumption, predicting energy requirements by using the historical data. Motivation. What motivated me to choose this research topic? Economical energy usage is one important thing to be taken into account, yielding economic savings, no minimum to minimize energy wastage, optimization of building energy consumptions. These are factors motivated me to proceed with this research title. Reviews of literature. In the first reference, Louis M. Cadio had proceeded with the four mathematical prediction models, which included MLP, multiple linear regression, radial kernel based SVM, random forest, and gradient boosting machines. With these four models, GBM was found to be best outperforming with 97% of variance and in training set and 57% of variance in testing set when compared with other modules. In the second reference, Sally implemented a few ML techniques in order for predicting the energy requirements and various results were being taken out. In third reference, blockouts in the past are crucial for forecast level and future procurement and statistical approaches were done. There are several references to graph Hubranch method, which was implemented here. In reference 4 and 5, input parameters, each input parameters and density function is generated based on input parameters. Using this approach, density functions are twisted jointly, assuming that the parameters are probabilistically unrelated. Suggest in the reference 6 and 7, it suggested similar approaches. In eighth reference, the implementation and constraints of deep learning systems and the complexity and the hardware optimization were discussed. Problem identified as increase in demand for energy consumption, improper planning of energy prediction, variation in accuracy factors, challenges in implementing deep learning algorithms in IoT environment. So considering these problems, objectives have been framed out. Consumption monitoring the consumption or monitoring of energy consumed by the buildings to predict the energy which is to be consumed in future. Then comparison and analysis is done with a few performance metrics, RMSE, NRMSE, MAPE, and finally to develop a new data model for energy prediction and IoT systems. Design tools and methodologies, IoT modules for energy consumption measurements have been implemented. Machine learning algorithm and deep learning algorithms for energy predictions were done. MATLAB software being used, and Python language were also used. Jupyter Notebook were being used, and hardware include Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Node MCU. And the performance metrics considered are RMSE, root mean square error, mean absolute error (MAE), R squared or variance, mean absolute percentage error (MAPE), mean bias error (MBE), mean bias percentage error (MBP). These were the performance metrics considered, and the block diagram of the model proposed includes Arduino, current sensors, voltage sensors, ESP module. Then it is interfaced with the output with the cloud. The data have been sent in cloud, and load things were being connected to the Arduino. System methodology includes energy consumption prediction, which proceeded with data acquisition, performance evaluation, processing the data, and finally predicting. Experimental setup hardware is shown here with the current sensors and voltage sensors, Arduino boards, and ESP board, and the loads were shown here. And the data's capture have been sent in cloud, and it is shown in the output. These are the few results obtained, and sample data are shown here, which includes current, voltage level, energy consumed, and predicted power. And for training set, 60% of data have been taken. Validation set, 20% has been taken. For a test set, 20% were taken, and epochs a number of times the process repeated for 600 times. And the graphs for predicted and actually consumed level is shown here. And the regressions, the models included here were regression models. Regression is a supervised a machine learning technique which is used to predict continuous values. The regression models included here are linear regression, stepwise linear regression, robust linear regression, uh, iteration linear regression. Linear regression, it is a supervised machine learning algorithm. It tries to find out the best linear relationship that describes the data we have. And the expression for linear regression is shown. Y is the independent variable and x is the y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. Stepwise linear regression is the next model considered. Stepwise regression is a type of regression technique that builds a model by adding or removing the predictive variables. The variables which need to be added or removed are chosen based on test statistics of the coefficient estimated. In various testing statistics, the parameters or variables are decided whether it can be added or removed. Thus shows the algorithm how the stepwise linear regression works out. Robust linear regression provides an alternative to least square regression technique, which works with less assumptions, restrictive assumptions. Specifically, it provides a much better regression coefficients estimates when outliers are present in the data. Outliers violate the assumptions of normally distributed residuals in least square regressions. Finally, iterations linear regression method was implemented in regressions. When effect of an independent variable on a dependent variable changes depending on the values of one or more independent variables, and interactions effect exist. Totaling terms of interactions to a model of regression will significantly enhance the knowledge of the connections between the model's variables and allows future testing of hypotheses. And I have here the results for comparing all the four models with their performance metrics. Performance metrics considered are RMSE, R squared, MSE, MAE, and prediction speed and training time. Among that, we could identify robust linear regression model outperformance the three other models. And this is graphical representation for RMSE for all the four models, RMSE and R squared, MSE. And the conclusion, we conclude that robust linear regression model 3 in this proposed thing is best regression model for energy prediction, since RMSE value is very less and R squared value is higher when compared with other three models discussed here. And these are the reference used. I once again thank the management for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.